If you find yourself stuck in Talkback mode on your Xiaomi 17 or 17 Pro, then here's what to do. Here's how to turn off Talkback mode. So first thing you want to do is understand how to navigate when you're in Talkback mode. So basically, scrolling requires two fingers. That's one thing you need to know. And then to do something, you need to tap once to highlight and then double tap quickly to select it. So having that knowledge, let's now navigate to turn off the Talkback. So wherever you are, just swipe up with two fingers to go to the home screen. And then you want to go to settings by highlighting settings and then double tap to open settings. And then scroll using two fingers until you get to additional settings. Highlight it, double tap to select it, and then go to accessibility. Highlight, double tap, and then now that's going to open up this page. Now on this page, you want to select vision and then double tap to highlight. You can see vision is right behind this. This thing is sort of covering. Let me just try and get it off here. So it's not coming off. So vision is here. Now on vision, you'll see Talkback. So tap on it once to highlight, double tap to select. Then you have the toggle button to turn it off. Single tap to highlight and then double tap to turn it off and then confirm. And now Talkback is off and you can go back to using your phone as usual. That's basically how to turn off Talkback mode on the Xiaomi 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.